Hi guys, this is just a quick update. It's not going to take long, this video. Um, I mentioned, I showed this chart rather last video. What I didn't mention is this entire pattern. I did in a previous video many back, but this entire pattern is what I would refer to as a high base formation, and I do consider them bullish in general. Okay, uh, here is the daily chart that I showed last video. What I didn't say is, or draw on this chart, is there could be a trend line right here starting. Well, it started already, but it could be a trend line that plays out and actually carries us higher. Okay, now here's an intraday chart, a 1 hour chart of the ES. This is the first hour of the trading after hours session, whatever way you want to refer to it, the pre-market. This is the after hours. It's presently 6:15 p.m. Sunday night, and we closed here and opened up with a huge spike down. I picked it up right here. There's my buy right here at 1324.50. I presently have a stop in flat. I bought it there because of the 200 period moving average sitting right there. I'm hoping to see a close anywhere here. I'd be happy. I'm presently up 4 points. I have a stop in flat. I'm not going to lose anything on this trade. I just want to see how we go here. It's interesting that we spiked down so quick. I think a lot of it has to do with, I don't watch the news, by the way. I do everything I can to avoid it. But it's impossible at times. And I caught something where they can't come up to an agreement, and there's pressure on them. It's, big deal. I could care less. I'm listening to what the charts tell me. I believe that's what this was. But what's interesting is it's held to 200 and we're bouncing off of it. It could continue to go down, very possibly. I'm still calling for a move up this week. Yeah, if you put this on oh, by the way, here is the rising trend line that I pointed out in the other chart just a minute ago. That's why I'm hoping it holds this on the hourly and maybe tests the 1326.50 level, the next candle, 2 candles, 3 candles, whatever, but doesn't break it. And by morning, we actually open up back in, let me get that chart, back in side this candle's range and then break higher. That's what I'm hoping to see. But anyway, we'll see. As far as the news, I think it's more important, the August 2nd deadline. I think that's what's more important right now. I don't think what they say, Obama, there's pressure on them. I don't think that's really significant. I think the deadline is August 2nd, I believe. Don't quote me on it, but I believe that's what it is. I think that's more significant. If they weren't to come out with a decision, that would probably be play to the downside, probably. Actually, you know what? It wouldn't surprise me if we rallied into the decision, if we kept going up into the decision in anticipation of good stuff. And once the decision is made, whether it's made or not on the 2nd, we could have a pullback at that point. Yeah, that's if you're a trade the news kind of guy. I do everything I can to avoid it. But like I said, it's impossible at times just flipping through the channels on TV. But anyways, just an update here. Watch this rising trend line. It may be a time to look for shorts if we close below this and just kind of hug it up. Look for the right entry. Look for the proper candle on the hourly, and then go back to your daily chart. And yeah, watch it play out. See how it plays out. Anyways, I'm not going to go over resistance, not resistance or support anymore here. That was done last video. This video is simply to point out this quick candle. This is 20 minutes. The first 20 minutes of the trading day, the trading week. That's this candle right here. It opened up and sucked right down. It's interesting. We could actually open the day back up in this area and continue higher. It'd be interesting. It would be more like down in this way, but anyways, it'd be interesting to see how it plays out. And I am long 13.2450, presently up 4 points, with a stop at break even, and hoping it holds this rising trend line, which continues to push us higher. That's what I'm expecting, as well as the EMAs. Watch the EMAs. That's the major reason why I bought it here. It's at the 200 EMA. Okay, that's it. Yeah, good luck, everybody. As usual, don't let a green trade go red. Good luck.